Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good, and I'm not feeling well. I have already told this in my previous video that I'm having a mild headache, and I'm just not feeling good. And I hope that you'll enjoy my video. I don't know. Just please keep watching. Don't leave it in middle. And give a like, and please subscribe to my channel. Now I'm having my lunch. Yes, it's 1. Yes, 1, almost 2. Yeah, 1:43 p.m. Now I'm having my lunch. Guys, I have wasted my day very beautifully, and I'm still feeling like a mild headache. I don't know for how long it will stay, and पता नहीं अभी क्या करूँगी मैं. बहुत ज़्यादा सर दर्द है. Let's see. Hello guys, it's 7 p.m. or today is 22nd November. Actually, I didn't shoot anything yesterday because I was not feeling well. I was having a mild headache and then also fever. I got fever. That's why I couldn't able to make any video. एंड सो इसलिए मैं 2 दिन का मतलब आज तो मैं एंड नहीं करूँगी, कल एंड करूँगी. सो आई हैड माई लंच. इट वॉज लेट टुडे एंड अभी मैं बैठी हूँ एंड आई वन वीडियो इज पेंडिंग एंड आफ्टर आई विल एडिट दैट वीडियो नाउ एंड I'll keep you updated. Today I'm going to make boiled chicken.
Now our chicken is done. You can enjoy this with piping hot rice and a slice of lemon. Yeah, that's it. It is healthy and tasty. And here you can see me enjoying my boiled chicken. Yes, guys, let me tell you, it was so tasty and you should definitely try this recipe. So this is it. Please comment me down whenever you try this recipe, but you should try it. It was so tasty and it is easy to cook. There is no masala, there is no oil. It is so healthy, tasty. What do you want, right? So you should try this, and thank you for watching this video. I hope that you like it. I know I'm not making I am not able to make any proper video because I'm sick lately, that's why. And please like to my video, also subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one.